So if you live in a hot city where it's hot all the time, it's humidity, then I have the perfect solution for you guys. And this right here is a portable air conditioner, evaporative mini portable AC unit. It comes with 3 speeds and 2 mids to 180 degrees oscillating. So what that means and what that does is that you can pretty much turn around 180 degrees however you want it, move it everywhere around. It oscillates everywhere. Not only that, but we also get 7 color RGB lights, so you can adjust it to RGB and like pretty much red, green, blue. It does have a bunch of colors and it looks really amazing, especially at night. So you can use, not only is this like portable air conditioner, but you can use this also as a night light when you go to sleep at night. You can use it as a night light. And not just that, it has different modes too. It has a mist mode as well too. It's an evaporative mist, so that pretty much, it not only is just a portable air conditioner, it could pretty much, like I mentioned before, it does pretty much everything. And so let me start off by saying that one of the few things I do want to mention about this product is that the quality of this is really amazing. It comes with 2 options. You either get a white color or a black color. I chose and opted with the black color. The black color looks really amazing, and I love how it looks. It has that satin finish. It looks really high quality, and what I love about it is that this is a portable air conditioner unit, because not only that, it comes with the handlebar right over here, so you could carry this around everywhere with you. And pretty much from there, like if you're going to camping, you use this for camping. Pretty much everywhere you can use this, in your office, your bedroom, pretty much everywhere. And like I mentioned, you could move this around everywhere with you. And it has that handlebar right here, which looks really phenomenal right there. Right here we get the on button right here. We get the timer button right here. Then we get the mist button right here. And then this button right here is for the RGB color. So you can set the colors. If you want for a solid color, you could go for that. If you want RGB, then you can have that as well too. It looks really amazing, especially at nighttime. But one of the first key points and most important things I do want to mention is that before you get started, there's a container right here. You pop this up right here, and I do have water filled up already in it, but I just wanted to show you guys so there's like a lever bar where it tells you the max of how much you need to put. So you need to put about probably like 2 quarts of water at the most, and there's a lever bar that it tells you, I believe it's located on the back side of it, but it tells you the max level, so you go below that. Right from here, you could put water right there, and I do have water already stored inside. But from there, it's your option to not only that, but if you want, you could also put ice as well too. And what that does is that if you want, like for example, wherever you live, Texas or anywhere, if it's very hot and humidity, then that will be the perfect solution, because you could just put ice in there. And what that does is that it's going to make the the air conditioning is going to be even more cold. I haven't done that. I might go ahead and do that when it gets more hot. But for now, I just have tap water. So one of the important things to note is that you do not put any distilled water. You need to put tap water. And this is tap water right here. So no need to put any distilled water. The tap water does it perfectly and fine. But yeah, right here. So what we're going to do now, I showed you guys that the water is right there. I have you can see right here, I have it right there to the max level. So I'm going to put the container back on and show you guys how this looks when it's turned on. Okay, so let's turn this on and show you guys how you operate this. So right here, we have 3 options. So you can adjust the fan speed level, but for now, let's just turn it on and show you guys how it is when you turn it on. You can see the fan speed is working very well right here, but I do want to mention that this is the first setting, level number 1, and it works fairly good. It's pretty cool and breeze, but as you guys know, when it gets hotter in certain cities and areas, especially like in Texas, you're gonna definitely need setting number 3. And then for that, who knows, you might have to put the ice cubes as well too, but I don't have that yet, but I do plan on doing that on the next one. But so we could do setting number 2. So you can see how setting number 2 works, and there's a lever right here. You can move the air, so the air will adjust to however you want it. Like I mentioned, 180 degrees oscillating. So it's going to go do it however you want it. So it has that lever bar right there. Now let's go on to setting number 3. And notice when I have it on setting number 3, it's pretty much fairly quiet. It's not as loud as compared to other portable air conditioners that are very loud. This one, I do love the fact that this is extremely quiet. And it also, if you want to charge it up, you could use the Type-C charging port, and it comes with that as well too, and you could pretty much charge there. And if you want, you could have it charged up like I did. I plug mine into an outlet. I have it like that. Or if you want, charge it up all the way, and then you can just use it without the outlet, that will allow it to pretty much be portable and carry it around everywhere with you. But yeah, other than that, this works fairly well. And this right here, let me show you guys the best part, is that the RGB colors. So this is probably my most favorite part. This is a night light. So what that does is that you can have RGB colors, 7 colors. So you can have it in a solid color, or you could, if you want, we could pretty much change the colors as well too. So you can either have it off, you can have it on red, you could have on pretty much different types of colors. Well, let me keep on pressing them. Then pretty much red, blue, it has all those colors. And then right here is the mist mode. I'm not sure if you could see that off of camera, but what that does is that it's going to be evaporative mist that will be coming. Yeah, you can see it right over there. It's coming out. And that, so yes, not only it's a portable air conditioner, but it pretty much does everything. So a mist conditioner as well too. So, you know, I think this product is really, I would definitely recommend this. It really does everything like what's intended for. Perfect for camping, or if you're going outdoors, or if you're pretty much hot inside your home, then this is definitely something I would definitely recommend. And I would highly recommend this for everyone who lives in a hot place or pretty much a hot city. This portable air conditioner, it's a small, compact size, but it does pack a big punch, and it delivers a lot of air, more than what I expected. And I'm super amazed about this product, that it's a small, pretty much a portable air conditioner, but the cooling speed is a lot. Like, it's a very, pretty much, it'll make your entire home cold. And I can imagine if I put the ice as well too, it will be even more breeze cold, which, I mean, the results even with just the water is really amazing. I would definitely recommend this portable air conditioner if you're looking for a replacement set or a new one. Then this one is by far one of the best ones, and I would highly recommend this product to everyone.